Prayagraj. The current slide consists of some of the health issues faced by the passengers who are traveling by the train. The motivation of our idea came once when we were traveling by the train from Prayagraj to Delhi, whereby we came to meet an old passenger who was struggling with pain in his chest from last few hours. We were not able to do anything due to the lack of medical facilities and equipments. Thereby, an idea came to our mind that why not create a platform which would provide medical facilities to the passengers who are traveling by the train. Then, we started working on it to bring our idea into reality from last 1 year. And today, we are here in front of you all. Here we select the name of the menu and select from the given options. We can select the quantity from here. We can deviate the quantity from here too. Here we are supposed to enter the name of the patient. Rest other options are given there. Also, we have to do the mobile validation using the OTP. We can select any of the given options to payment. Coming to the web application, we can book the doctor consultation from here, where we'll be required to select the doctor from the list given and fill the necessary required details here and click on the submit button to book the consultation. This is the flowchart for our working model. The passenger orders the medicine, after which our algorithm checks the availability of the medicine in the nearest medical shop by utilizing the Mark software. After this, a doctor is appointed for order validation, which can be done using a telecommunication service. Now, the order is allocated to a paramedical staff who visits the medical shop and delivers the order to the passenger. Coming to the technical progress, we have implemented the following set of features in our mobile and web application, and we are expecting to release the both by 20th of March. Coming to the market size, we have 20.1 million as total available market, of which 1 million is serviceable available market and 0.14 million is serviceable obtainable market. We have roughly 2039 cases addressed per day in Prayagraj division. This is the business model canvas of which the revenue streams include profit margin from medicine, partnership revenue per service fee. This is the competition. These are the primary target locations in our initial stage. These are few of the glimpses of the screenshots of our visit with ADRM sir and the survey with doctors and medicine store dealers. The ask amount is 5 lakhs, which will be utilizing for medical staff salaries, medical equipments and supplies, and so on. The current investment includes company registration, various APIs, domains, and hosting. Our future roadmaps consist of intercity delivery within hours, online ambulance service, online nursing, and compounder integration. This is the team that has been working behind the startup Trail Health. Thank you so much.
So what is the total length of your video?
So it's 2 minutes 56 seconds.
Okay, so you still have 4-5 seconds more if you want to add. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
very specifically, what we want to understand is your. I think this is something that was covered yesterday as well, and Vikram had shared with you. The MVP part. When does it start? When does it end? Can you play that part specifically for us once again?
Yes, sir.
People, just one input. We have 30 minutes to spend on one team.
Okay.
So you can give them a detailed review. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Into reality from last 1 year. And today, we are here in front of you all to pitch a startup idea named Trail Health. This is our mobile application where we can select any of the given options. Here we have to select the service station. Here we are supposed to write the name of the medicine and select from the given options. We can select the quantity from here. We can deviate the quantity from here too. Here we are supposed to enter the name of the patient. Rest other options are given there. Also, we have to do the mobile validation using the OTP. We can select any of the given options to payment. Coming to the web application, we can book the doctor consultation from here, where we'll be required to select the doctor from the list given and fill the necessary required details here and click on the submit button to book the consultation. This is the flowchart for our.
Yes, sir. This is our MVP person.
Yeah. So what minute it started and what ended? Is it 1 minute or less?
No, sir. So it's around 1 minute. So it's around 56 seconds or 58 seconds.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So just remember, right? You have few seconds here and there more to play if you want to add something. Okay. Now, Vipul,
Okay.
with your permission, what I want to understand from you guys is
So,
if you have to give a very specific, say 30-second statement about your MVP and where is your exact precise statement. I know you've written down that you want the money for XYZ. I know you have written down, say, I mean, you have stated that that we will start our product launch this at whatever at so and so time. But if you want to make it very clearly made to understand for the jury members about your MVP, what will you say?
Sir, because of time constraints, we didn't able to say everything mentioned in this slide. So, sir, we say the important points or the key points which we have mentioned there.
Okay, so you all are satisfied?
Sir, no, sir, because sir, we also want to say sir, because we already mentioned the important points there, and we want to sir, say every points, but sir, due to time constraint, we can't. So, for example, in competition portion, we want to say at least one or two drawbacks, and sir, in our revenue streams, business model canvas, we only say the revenue model. There, we can also say one or two things, add one or two things.
Okay, no problem. Just remember, you still have 4 seconds with you. Okay, that's why we are specifically I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So just Vipul and Vikram, you want to give some inputs because what can they do now? They have 4 seconds left for them to play.
so actually, I would request if the team can show the video again, because I think the text for the voice over, I think, was not very clear in some places.
Okay. And what about the English captions?
So I would just like to see that again, if you can go through it again, please.
Because I was not sure about English captions, guys. Was it okay? Everything was clear, no matching.
Were they there? Because I think I don't remember reading them.
Yeah, even I don't remember reading them. So Vikram, what
Yeah,
about
yeah,
you?
as of now, as of now, I didn't see the subtitles, I guess. And second thing is that if they have some time left, maybe team, you can think around of how the user will be going to land on your platform, right? They need to go somewhere. For example, you're talking about the app. So is it available on the Google Play Store, first thing, or iOS platform? So from where a user will be going to download your app at this moment? So that part you are missing as of now, I guess. So if you can highlight that, that could be some additional input user will get.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Sir, can I play again our pitch with
Yeah, yeah,
caption?
Yes,
yeah.
please.
Okay.
This is Subhankar Chef from Team Rail Health. Our team is currently pursuing BTech from MNNIT Allahabad, Prayagraj. The current slide consists of some of the health issues faced by the passengers who are traveling by the train. The motivation of our idea came once when we were traveling by the train from Prayagraj to Delhi, whereby we came to meet an old passenger who was struggling with pain in his chest from last few hours. We were not able to do anything due to the lack of medical facilities and equipments. Thereby, an idea came to our mind that why not create a platform which would provide medical facilities to the passengers who are traveling by the train. Then we started working on it to bring our idea into reality from last 1 year. And today, we are here in front of you all to pitch a startup idea named Real Health. This is our mobile application where we can select any of the given options. Here we have to select the service station. Here we are supposed to write the name of the medicine and select from the given options. We can select the quantity from here. We can deviate the quantity from here too. Here we are supposed to enter the name of the patient. Rest other options are given there. Also we have to do the mobile validation using the OTP. We can select any of the given options to payment. Coming to the web application, we can book the doctor consultation from here where we'll be required to select the doctor from the list given and fill the necessary required details here and click on the submit button to book the consultation. This is the flowchart for our working model. The passenger orders the medicine, after which our algorithm checks the availability of the medicine in the nearest medical shop by utilizing the MARC software. After this, a doctor is appointed for the order validation, which can be done using a telecommunication service. Now the order is allocated to a paramedical staff who visits the medical shop and delivers the order to the passenger. Coming to the technical progress, we have implemented the following set of features in our mobile and web application, and we are expecting to release the both by 20th of March. Coming to the market size, we have 20.1 million as total available market, of which 1 million is serviceable available market and 0.14 million is serviceable obtainable market. We have roughly 2039 cases addressed per day in Prayagraj division. This is the business model canvas of which the revenue streams include profit margin from medicine, partnership revenue per service fee. This is the competition. These are the primary target locations in our initial stage. These are few of the glimpses of the screenshots of our visit with ADRM sir and the survey with doctors and medicine store dealers. The ask amount is 5 lakhs, which will be utilizing for medical staff salaries, medical equipments and supplies, and so on. The current investment includes company registration, various APIs, domains, and hosting. Our future roadmaps consist of intercity delivery within hours, online ambulance service, online nursing, and compounder integration. This is the team that has been working behind the startup Trail Health. Thank you so much.
I think the captions were there, no? I think I saw that coming up.
But I somehow didn't notice them earlier. But I
Yeah.
think yes. Did you switch on the captions on YouTube when you were playing it?
Yes, sir.
I guess first time they have played the raw file. Second time a YouTube video. Third time, yeah.
Yes.
Got it. So basically relying on YouTube video to convert your speech to text.
No, sir. So it's content caption.
Okay, ठीक है. So ठीक है. I think that from a caption point of view, ठीक है. Subtitles is okay, not an issue. But very specifically, आपने इसमें you've not spoken about the stage of the product, right? So आपको वो capture करना पड़ेगा कि at what stage are you at? So even when you did the comparison, for the two segments that you're working on, are there different products for the two segments, or is it the same product that caters to both of those segments?
So it's the same product for both the segments, application and website portion.
And वो किस stage पे है अभी?
सर हमारा एप्लीकेशन सर गूगल प्ले स्टोर के वेरिफिकेशन के अंडर में है
Okay.
और वेबसाइट जो यस सर एंड सर वेबसाइट जो है वो हमारी होस्टेड है सर बट सर उसमें अभी डेवलपमेंट वो अंडर डेवलपमेंट है मेनली सर हमारा ऐप ही रेडी है अभी
Got it.
सर मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 20 मार्च तक वो प्ले स्टोर पे अवेलेबल होगा सर.
आई थिंक आपके पास जो टाइम बचा है ना, आप एक स्लाइड डाल के ये भी बता सकते हैं कि इस स्टेज पे, बिकॉज यू विल गेट मार्क्स, बिकॉज यू आर वेटिंग फॉर गूगल प्ले स्टोर टू अप्रूव योर ऐप. सो आई मीन दैट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट यू बीन एबल टू रीच दैट फार, बट यू शुड मेंशन दैट. सो कैन यू प्लीज ऐड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो?
श्योर सर.
हाँ, ये पक्का से ऐड कर दीजिएगा बिफोर यू गो एंड डू द प्रोडक्ट शोकेस कि दिस इज वेयर आवर प्रोडक्ट इज, दिस इज हाउ इट स्टैंड्स एंड दीज आर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स. एक वो डाल दीजिए, आपका बाकी का भी जो टाइम है उस काफी है उतने के लिए.
यस ओके.
एंड बाकी ओवरऑल ठीक है. थोड़ा मेरे को कहीं जगह पे लगा कि टेक्स्ट थोड़ा ज्यादा था, राइट, बट इट स्टिल वर्क्स. ठीक है.
Okay,
आई
sir.
थिंक दैट्स पुट इट फ्रॉम माय एंड.
यस सर.
So one input from my side team, I have noticed the current these subtitles are overlapping with the text on the slides. So maybe you have to think around that. It should not overlap actually.
यस सर.
Huh. And second input is that right now, I'm not sure whether you will be able to make the changes or not. For example, now user is able to put the request on your website, but after getting the request from the user end, how your backend team will be going to react or act. So can you able to, define their flowchart or
Sure.
something, once you're getting the order and all? Yeah. Is
Sir,
that there already?
Yes, sir, already content, sir. We had a flowchart about this, which explains
But
all
you
the
are not
process of the audit.
explaining, right?
So we are explaining for about 15 seconds on that slide.
Okay.
Can I
For
play
example,
it again?
if yeah, please. I didn't say it. Just play that part only.
Sure, sir.
Doctor from the list given and fill the necessary required details here and click on the submit button to book the consultation. This is the flowchart for our working model. The passenger orders the medicine, after which our algorithm checks the availability of the medicine in the nearest medical shop by utilizing the MARC software. After this, a doctor is appointed for the order validation, which can be done using a telecommunication service. Now the order is allocated to a paramedical staff who visits the medical shop and delivers the order to the passenger. Coming to the technical.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Yes. So is it
So
okay or
Vijeta,
we have to change something?
no, from my side it is okay. Yeah.
Yeah, from my side
But
also it's
if
okay. But as
uh-huh.
Vipul said, right, those extra 4 seconds that you have, see, just to think about this, why we're saying all this, emphasizing on this, right? You're in a competition, you're going in front of the jury. The jury wants to know precisely and exactly where you stand today and your commitment and intent for the next few milestones. So just make sure, as he said, right, Vipul and also Vikram are saying, make that come out well, okay?
Okay, sir.
And everything is okay. You're shot on landscape mode. Your captions are working well. The sound, where is any place where you have, I think Vipul was mentioning, no? One or two places, the sound was not clear or something. Have you all understood that?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are here to help you. Any other questions or doubts that you have? So you were saying about time constraints, but now we have clarified that for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. And will you be
Yes, sir.
reworking it and then you'll show it to us again by 14th?
14th.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Okay, sir.
Vijeta,
Thank you.
I need just one clarification. Since on the final event day, there is no Q&A, right? Only we will just play the Teams video that right now we are working on. And we are expecting some audience who will be going to view the entire event. So for them, is there any call to action? Maybe they can download the app, something. Is it
Oh, yeah, that's a
advisable
damn good
to
idea. Damn
have?
good idea. That's a very good idea. Yeah, call to action.
So
Okay. Okay, you want to explain to them again what is the meaning of call to action? Because
yeah. So team call to action means, for example, right now, if you wanted to get a traffic on your website, so you can invite all the users who is going to, maybe they could be the potential user in the future. So you can just call out if any call to action is there on your website or on your landing page. So you can invite them to just have a look, or maybe you can just brief them, just visit on the website, explore the service available on the portal, something. So that maybe you can add one liner at the end of the pitch video. You can experiment, it is up to you. This is nothing mandatory, but if you think you can drive more engagement by, implementing this call to action, so maybe you can create some sort of database and you can keep the user on the wait list also. For example, in case of Rail Health, I understand your app is not live and you are expecting by 20th of March it will get live. So you can just give them a heads up now itself. By 20th, the app will be going to get live. So maybe you can visit on the Play Store and you can download and just try the features. So something you can explore.
So yeah, so even in this,
Yeah.
I think presentation, the team that showed right now, I think when they closed it, they had that options to connect on Facebook and other places, and I think you can also add this also. So I think that is a good feedback for all startups. and all the teams here to please, make it easier for people to download. Maybe adding a QR code might be a little easier because, while you're talking or, while you're showing in your last slide is available, people can, use a QR code to either connect with your website, app, or, your LinkedIn page so that you can keep them informed when your product comes out as well. Great idea, Vikram.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So, Akash, is it okay for you to implement these changes? Last slide.
Yes, sir.
Maybe
Yes, sir.
on
Yes, sir.
14th we can,
Sir,
on 15th we can review again, and if there is a need, definitely you will get a time to rework again.
sir, but for QR code, sir, it is important for live on the Play Store. So we can't provide QR, and the link of website is already given in that last slide.
So you can convert anything into QR. You can convert your LinkedIn, URL into QR code. You can do it for your website. So you can just go to Google, search for convert text to QR code. So that goes for everyone here. So you can make a QR code of anything, any URL. If it's a website URL, if it's a link to your Play Store, if it is a link to your LinkedIn page, Facebook page, Instagram page, all of it can be converted into a QR code. Just go Google and say convert URL to QR code. Again, please know this is a good way to stay connected to potential customers and get better feedback and users for the future also.
Okay, sir. We will add it.
Thank you, Akash.
All the best.
Yeah.
Thank you,
So
sir.
next
Thank you
team,
very much.
yeah, thank you. Next team, we have a new role, Apurva, but Apurva, if you allow, there is a one team, Amir, they wanted to go next. So if you allow, then
Yes,
only
sir.
we can ask. Okay, thank you so much. Aditya,
sir.
maybe you can go to the next, yeah.
Thank you, sir, for the thing. Okay, I am sharing my screen.
Sure.
Sir, is it okay?
Yes, yeah. It is not audible, team.
It is not audible. Okay. Is it audible now, sir?
Greetings. We are Team Amir
Yes.
from Rajiv Gandhi Institute.
Okay, sir, it is.
Yeah, it is audible now, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Greetings. We are Team Amir from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, Amethi, Uttar Pradesh.
जाके गुप्ता अंकल की दुकान से 1 किलो आटा लेके आओ। हाँ मम्मा।
Okay, sorry to interrupt.
Basic commodity.
Just want to make a quick note.
Routine task.
Sir,
There was no subtitle in the beginning of the video. I think it just started now. So just wanted to make a note of that.
sir, actually, there is a text on the screen, no, sir. That's why we haven't included.
Agreed, but let's be on the safer side. Please keep subtitles for this side also.
Okay, sir, definitely.
And Aditya, one more thing, I think the audio is coming from your device. Can you stop sharing
sir.
the file? Yeah. Please stop sharing. No, you have to completely stop sharing the screen. Now, please press the button on share button, and you will find an option, a drop down menu. You need to choose the third one, optimize for motion and video.
Okay, sir.
Then you can play the video now. You can share the screen now.
Okay. Is it okay, sir?
Greetings. We are
Is the audio visible, sir?
Yes,
Audible.
better. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Greetings. We are Team Amir from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, Amethi, Uttar Pradesh.
चुटकी जाके गुप्ता अंकल की दुकान से 1 किलो आटा लेके आओ. हाँ मम्मा.
These simple words echoed through our childhoods, a routine task that connected us to the local merchants. There are approximately 12 million merchants like Gupta Uncle in India. Yet, a concerning question arises. Why isn't that merchant growing with Chutki? The rapid wave of digitalization is transforming the retail landscape, urging shop owners to go omnichannel. But for small shop owners, it's really hard to make this change. But why? To know that, we met numerous shopkeepers and found that, despite the existing technology, they are suffering with cash cycle and billing inefficiencies, overhead costs, digital illiteracy and language barriers, limited marketing resources and online visibility, high e-commerce competition, and many more complexities in managing the store. Amir solves these issues.
Product is Maggi 70 grams packet and the stock is 10. MRP is 14, SP is 14, CP is 12.
Scan barcode.
Maggi.
We have a hybrid revenue model with multiple revenue streams, ranging from premium ad revenue to financial services. Initially, we are targeting micro to small retail stores and expand to wholesale distributors, forming an ecosystem. Considering our product's price at 200 rupees per month, our SOM stands at 43.2 crores, which is 5% of SAM, and the e-invoicing market growth is at a rate of 24.3%. We will dive into market with digital marketing, followed by reseller partnership and UPI operation. We will use 90% of the funds for research and development, marketing and customer acquisition, and security audit. Amir stands out because of regional language support, AA assistant, and local SEO.
We will commence development and content marketing in March, proceed with beta testing in June. Following the security audit in August, we'll be launching the product in September. And thereafter, we'll focus on user acquisition and marketing. Meet our dynamic duo. Aditya specializes in application development, design, sales, and operations. Sairaj excels in full stack development, AIML, marketing, and service. Here is an overview of our business. Reach out and join us as we continue our journey to transform the retail sector.
Sir, is it okay, the video?
What's the length of the video exactly? Precisely.
Exactly, it's I think 2 minutes 59 seconds, sir.
So you still have 2-3 seconds here and there. Can
No,
you
sir,
play?
we got only 1 second back.
No, you can go up to 3.02, 3.03 also. Okay, but can
Okay,
you just play the MVP part? We want to just focus on that a little bit.
okay, sir.
Aditya, while sharing a screen, I have just one input.
Yes,
I think in the video you're talking about Maggie, right? And there will
yes,
be
sir.
a
Yes.
two thing, bada packet of Maggie and chota packet of Maggie. How it will be going to differentiate?
Sir, the thing has been specified, sir, the 70-gram packet, actually.
Okay,
I will show you.
ठीक है,
Okay.
ठीक. Just focus on the
Oh,
MPP video and what is the length? Basically, we have given a 1 minute timeline where you can define the MPP, user flow, everything. So you can
yes,
need
sir.
to
Yes.
check whether you are spending 1 minute time to cover the entire MPP or not.
Yes, sir, should I show it again?
Yeah. Please.
Yes, okay. So, from here, the solution has been started from 57, I think. Okay.
Ah.
So, It goes till
solves these issues.
We can see blank screen. Uh,
sir. Okay, wait.
PLC player, yeah, black.
Okay. Sir, is it visible now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Solves these issues.
Product is Maggi 70 grams packet and the stock is 10. MRP is 14, SP is 14, CP is 12.
Scan barcode.
Maggi.
We have a hybrid revenue model.
Sir, actually, it's 1 minute only, sir. Around 55 to 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Vipul and Vijita, any comment on overall video pitch?
Overall, it's fine. People, anything that you noticed?
So
Landscape
again,
mode, sound was okay, captions were okay.
no, so in some places the sound was a bit of an issue, like Vikram said.
Okay.
So that has to be looked at again. So that I would request the team to please have a look at it again. The voice has to be consistent. Secondly, again, like I'm mentioning it to the other teams also, please clearly mention at what stage of your product is the product at, right? Like I mentioned to the last
Okay.
team, you also need
Okay,
to
sir.
do the same thing and to mention where it is before you start with the MVP. Okay, so please have like a one slide there. Please add it to the video and say this is, where our product stands as of now. Right? Otherwise, it's okay. Please have a look at it again. Voiceover was a bit of an issue, so please make sure that that gets done properly. Vikram,
Okay, sir.
anything would you like to add?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Yeah, I do not have any specific comment. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Sir, the thing QR, we have made it in the last slide. Is it okay? So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can just scan. Yes, sir.
can you show?
Okay, we have done. Yes, sir.
Aditya, you said in the previous interaction you have some kirana store also, right? With whom you are working. If I'm
Sir.
right. You said like you already onboarded some of the kirana store, right?
Yes, actually, we have tested the things, sir. We didn't onboard any, but we have tested in our local area, in our college nearby village. So we have added that clips too, sir. This is the thing sir was mentioning about the QR code. So we have provided it here. Sir, is it visible, sir?
So this is a app ka link, right?
Mm.
People can download the app, right?
Sir, they can visit our site. There we have provided our vision statement and the app link, the FAQs. So what we are going to do, there everything is there, sir. Our pitch video. So you can just
No, no, no.
visit the site.
Again, just correct me. This QR code, sorry, this QR code is for your landing page, not for the website, right? Not for the app.
Yes, sir. Not for the app, sir. In the website, we have provided the link for downloading the app. There we
No,
have
so
provided.
yeah, below you are mentioning na scan here to download Amir, right? This is a wrong
Yes,
message,
sir.
right? Huh.
Sir, we can visit there and we can download it. That's the thing.
No, you have to be very specific.
Okay, sir. So I will change that thing, sir. I will change that. For this thing, I have added this. Understand us better. So we have added this thing.
No, that's at least a good this thing. So I also wanted to, for everybody else to see this. So teams, this is how you put a QR code. Plus you also have the link under that, which is amyr.online. And you also have your handle on Instagram. So please share
Yes,
that.
sir.
Please use this opportunity judiciously so that you can attract more customers and get better feedback. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Good job. Good job.
Thank you, sir. So where we have to change the things, sir, that phase where we stand at now, so that we have to add. That's it. Okay, sir. We will do that definitely.
Great.
Okay, sir. I will change this thing also. Scan here to download. I will say visit our site, so that will be no issue. Okay, sir. Is there anything specific should I change?
No, that's it. As per the feedback, that's about it.
Thank you, sir.
But you've taken all the feedback, right? So you have to
Yes,
add
sir.
that one slide. You have to
Yes,
get
sir.
the
Yes.
voice and the other also. Please make a note of it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Aditya.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
So again, just please make the changes and join us again on 14th.
Okay, sir. Definitely, we will work on that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Maybe you can stop sharing the screen and we will move to the next team. New roar, Apurva.
Yes, sir. I'll just share my screen with you.
Sure, sure.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, yeah.
I'll play the video now.
Sorry, we can't hear the audio.
Okay.
So again, you have to stop sharing. Yeah, while sharing the screen, once you click on the share button, you will find an option, optimize for motion and video, that you need to click. You need to choose.
Yes, sir.
Then you can share the particular screen.
Sir, is it audible now?
Sorry. Again, we can't hear.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you can check whether the audio is there or not.
The audio is there, sir. Just a moment.
Is it the same video you played during the jury day, or you have made any changes?
Sir, for now it's the same video. We had exams and we couldn't edit much, but after today we'll make sure to edit it, sir. So now,
even though no two brains are alike, individuals whose brains
Yeah,
are wired
now, yeah.
from the
We can
average
hear
or
the audio.
person are referred to as divergence. About 20% of the population is estimated to be neurodivergent. They face challenges in understanding social cues, communication, sensory and information processing, along with executive functioning skills. They're a global underserved community when it comes to accessible, useful, and functional products designed to accommodate their unique needs. Introducing Neuror, a personalized assistive technology app designed to assist neurodiverse people with autism and ADHD in navigating their day, embracing neurodiversity, and cultivating positive habits. The blogs on our website are curated by experts who also organize Ask Me Anything sessions for users. Our app offers a comprehensive to-do list and a habit builder to aid users with time management. A mood tracker analyzes users' mood and leads them to the chatbot and stimming center. Community Forum helps our users connect with like-minded people and learn from shared experiences. These features collectively help with emotional and sensory regulation. Neuro's USP is its unique blend of personalized habit building, structured emotional regulation, and a supportive community where shared experiences ignite learning and growth. Our revenue model is a freemium, subscription-based model priced at Rs 150 per month. We also have a 15-day trial period for all our premium features. Our serviceable obtainable market would consist of 10 million Indians having either ADHD or autism. We plan to use 40% of our funds for app development, 15% for marketing and outreach, 15% for community building, and 30% for onboarding personnel. We aim to reach neurodivergents over the age of 14 through inclusive marketing strategies, partnerships with organizations, and targeted online marketing through social media channels. We received positive feedback when we spoke to experts at Ishania Foundation and Orcreate. Over the next 3 months, we hope to continue user testing through peer groups at Ishania Foundation, launch the app on Play Store, and initiate regular events for community members. In the long run, we hope to solidify partnerships with neurodiversity organizations. Currently, we're in talks with Ishania Foundation to build custom tools for their autistic students. Having second-hand experience of neurodiversity through close family members and friends, as a team, we envision a world where neurodiversity is embraced and celebrated. Yes, sir, that's our video.
It's good. The noble cause, and I think the captions were clear. Just play the MVP section once more for us, okay? If you don't mind.
Yes, sir.
Just want to know that you are given 60 seconds. And what was the total size of your video?
3 minutes, sir. MVP is around, it's a little more than 60 seconds.
That's still okay. But have you covered everything? Remember that some of the things that as a jury should know what stage you are in, where exactly you stand, what is your next few steps. Just make sure that we cover that. Just run through that part, please.
Yes, sir. 1
Yeah,
minute.
yeah, Vipul and Vikram, that's okay with you guys?
Works.
I'll start from the website. Is it fine?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. That was our MVP portion of the video.
Vipul and anything?
So again, because I think, as the team mentioned, they've not changed the presentation from the last time. The
Correct.
request would only be to clearly highlight, at what stage of the product is the product at right now. And also, if possible, showcase a product roadmap, in the coming times. I think again, because like you said, you'd already finish it earlier. So this is what you've not added. For the other teams as well, you will hear this as a feedback coming in again if you've not changed your presentation. Please make sure that this is there. This is a basic requirement now. So please don't miss out on this.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I think
So,
we are good. Yep.
About the product roadmap, we have a section about the timeline of events of sorts later in the video. So do we include a product roadmap instead of that?
Yes. I mean, you can keep that as well, but either you also add the fact that, this is where the product is right now, or
Okay.
create a separate one.
Okay, we just
Whichever
have to
is easier.
include about the status of our MVP before we showcase it, right?
Yep. You have to add that, yeah.
Yes, sir.
And Apurva, I just saw a watermark in your video page.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you
We'll.
work around
Yes,
to
sir.
remove? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We have the fund to support.
Yes, sir. We'll work on editing that out.
Yeah, sure. And do you have any question, Apurva, from us?
No, sir. Like you mentioned to the other teams, we'll be including a QR code to our website as well, and see if we can also give like an APK of the status of our app right now towards the end of the presentations for the audience. Would that be fine?
Okay, so right now you have the APK file, right?
Yes.
So have you shared those files with any of the potential user? Did you get any feedback from them?
Yes, sir. We're actually testing our app at Ishania Foundation right now. So we're running a community peer groups through the app itself. We haven't launched it on Play Store yet, and that's why we haven't really shared the app APK with a lot of users. That's something we'll have to discuss with my teammates and see if we can do that at this stage. If not, we'll be providing a QR code for the website for our landing page.
So that QR code for the landing page that will come in the last section, but in between whatever stage currently you are in terms of MVP development plan and all, try to put all details as much as possible.
Yes, sir.
That we are actually looking for, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Any other suggestions about how editing the video, sir?
Nothing from my side here.
Thank you.
Bipul, any final comment, or maybe we can move to the next team now? Vijeta.
So are we waiting for something?
No, I'm asking, do you have any final comment, or maybe we can move to the next team?
I think we can go to the next team. They've done a good job.
Okay. So thank you, Apurva and team.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So please join us again on Monday, on 14th.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So next team is a Team Nirogya. Do we have anyone from Team Nirogya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please share your video pitch. Before sharing, just one input. People, actually, in the top 10 teams, we have 2 to 3 teams whose founder and co-founder are 100% women. So will they need to highlight those sections? Because we are not giving them any advantage, but I think that could be the one pointer to gain some sort of empathy, or I'm not sure. Um, Maybe you can suggest if they have to call out this thing in their video pitch. People, can you hear us? Others, can you hear me? Others? Shivangi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. People, can we start the pitch video? Team, just let me check. Just give me a minute.
No,
Hello everyone. Welcome to
Yeah,
sir.
it is audible, team. Yeah.
Yes, I think. Hello everyone. Welcome to our innovative journey. We are Team Hydroponic Automation System Vidai. I'm Cyril, representing Amrita School of Engineering from the vibrant city of Coimbatore. I still remember the time when I was 10. My father used to take me to his friend's house. He was a farmer and I used to play in the field and enjoy. And I used to have all the fruits in the trees. And now 10 years later, when I visited him, there were no fields, only massive buildings. That's when I understood how bad the situation has become. Farmlands were being severely destroyed, ecosystems damaged, and I wanted to find a solution and fix all this. That's when we found this fascinating farming method, hydroponics, a soilless cultivation method. But being an engineering student made me think, why not make it even more better by automating it? And this is a solution. A vertical tower designed for efficient and controlled plant growth. Here we see spinach plants being cultivated by providing the precise amount of water, nutrients, and light required for the plants in an automated system. This efficient setup houses the nutrient solutions, pH buffer, necessary pumps to mix them, and an informative LCD display. A small pump delivers water to an isolated container for precise sensing of various parameters like pH, TDS, and temperature. The accurate activation of the peristaltic pumps is then controlled based on the set parameters. Real-time sensor readings are continuously displayed on the LCD screen, allowing for constant monitoring of the necessary crucial factors. The electronics powering this entire setup is housed within this box. The ultimate advantage lies in remote monitoring and real-time control. These advantages and greater flexibility are achieved through the web interface, providing constant system overview and allowing for manual control from anywhere. This is a revenue model. Our first revenue scheme is to automate existing farms, offering plants to fit any farm size. Then we keep them green with ongoing maintenance. Soon we'll be expanding in new cities and growing our own fresh farm produce. These are our long-term goals. As we know that India is the largest consumer of leafy greens, so the demand for fresh farm produce is ever increasing. We analyzed a recent hydroponic farm visit called Greensea and found that our automation solutions provide thrice the yield. This here is a fund utilization plan. Our primary strategy is to identify potential customers. Also, to collaborate with potential partners to provide better solutions. Also, providing training and pilot programs to create awareness among the students. This here is our maker team, and it is composed of a 6-member team. You can scan this to contact us and also to get exciting updates. I conclude with this thought. Choose more than a solution, choose Vidai. We are not just different, we are the future of urban cultivation. Happy farming.
What's the total length of the video?
Hello everyone. 2 minutes 50 seconds, sir.
2 minutes 50, 50.
50, sir.
Okay, so you still have 10 seconds to play with, okay?
Yes, sir.
So it is not a small time. It's a good time actually for you to do a lot of important things. And can you just run through the MVP part of it clearly for us, please, once again?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Control plan. And this is a solution. A vertical tower designed for efficient and controlled plant growth. Here we see spinach plants being cultivated by providing the precise amount of water, nutrients, and light required for the plants in an automated system. This efficient setup houses the nutrient solutions, pH buffer, necessary pumps to mix them, and an informative LCD display. A small pump delivers water to an isolated container for precise sensing of various parameters like pH, TDS, and temperature. The accurate activation of the peristaltic pumps is then controlled based on the set parameters. Real-time sensor readings are continuously displayed on the LCD screen, allowing for constant monitoring of the necessary crucial factors. The electronics powering this entire setup is housed within this box. The ultimate advantage lies in remote monitoring and real-time control. These advantages and greater flexibility are achieved through the web interface, providing constant system overview and allowing for manual control from anywhere. This is a revenue model. Our first revenue scheme is to
Okay, so how long was this?
it's
From
like
start
50 seconds,
time to end
50 to
time?
55 seconds.
How much?
1 minute, sir. 50 to 55 seconds, sir.
Okay, so here also, if you want, see now you have 10 seconds or 11 seconds, let's imagine, plus here you can add another 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just think about it, right? You should utilize the full 3 minutes, and MVP
Yes,
is
sir.
the most important part of the entire thing. Okay. So this is my input,
Yes,
but
sir.
Vipul and Vikram, you want to add something, and just rechecking landscape mode, captions are clear. Nowhere is your audio drowned or inaudible. Everything was okay on that front.
We have checked with captions, sir. They're fine. Maybe
Okay.
I'll try with a different version also, sir. Like phone version, I'll
Okay.
check also.
Okay, do that.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah, no comment from my side.
Yeah, so again, just making sure that I, put that message across. Please talk about at what stage the product is. Please add that into the video. That is very key and that's important. That's a basic requirement now.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'll keep repeating that for each team, but it is critical. Please add that in. We would like to see that on 14th.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
There is no
Otherwise,
input, then we can move to the next.
we can move to the next one.
Yeah, please. Thanks. All the best,
This is
guys.
well done. Yeah.
But you have to get
Yes,
this all ready by
thank you.
14th. Huh? Yeah.
Sure, sir. I will complete by 14th, sir.
So this is the last team for the day. Apurva. Team solar powered vehicle. Anyone from this team? Solar powered vehicle.